Vehicles are a major source of air pollution, and while some of this pollution is unavoidable, motorists release unnecessary emissions through aggressive driving, unnecessary idling, and aerodynamic drag. The solution is to reduce the emissions created while you're driving. The following 6 techniques will help you improve your fuel efficiency. 1. Maintain a consistent speed within the speed limit. Your vehicle expends energy to accelerate, and this energy is lost when you brake, so accelerate smoothly and try to maintain the momentum you create.